With the training I received in the plumbing program, right after high school, I'd be getting paid $16 to $19 an hour rather than 10 to 12 without training. We save a lot of money because the school is offering us the opportunity to take it.
We have Plumbing 1 and Plumbing 2. Plumbing 1 is for the juniors, Plumbing 2 is an extension for the seniors. This program is an NCCER accredited program, so as they finish Plumbing 1, they will receive their certification with Plumbing 2. We have a real shortage of plumbers. The average age of a plumber today is about 27, 28.
We get to start young too, because we're like 17, 18-year-olds. Instead of getting out of high school and then getting into a program was like at 19, 20. So we save like 2 years of experience.
If I was going to hire somebody to be my apprentice, what do I want them to know? And so I'm trying to teach them those things that I would normally teach them out on the job site.
After high school, we already have a job and we can start earning our hours to level up in the career.
I think it's great that Cy-Fair is offering it. I really feel there's a lot of guys out there that would really get into it if they just knew the program exists.
I really liked it. It suits me more. I'm more of a hands-on learner.
Really, this class has helped me guide my future and see what I want to do.
We want to train young people to understand what plumbing is and know that they can make a lot of money in the industry.